Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Plus front entry self-cleaning cat litter box and it's flashing on the display. The light is flashing red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. And you may have noticed that it has stopped in the middle of a raking process and you're trying to get it fixed and get it back to working normal. So first of all, what happens here is this will happen when something prevents the raking process from completing. So when it goes into its automatic raking, there might be an obstruction or something like that, a clump, anything like that, that can stop it from being able to do its raking. So what you need to do is just check and make sure that there are no obstructions keeping it from doing it. And once you do that, you can just come in here and press the manual rake button, and it should complete the raking process. And then go back to normal, and the display will go back to normal. Now, if the problem persists, the light actually might turn solid red, and you might have a bigger problem on your hand, but just clearing any obstructions and hitting the manual rake button should fix the problem.